Hello everybody! The resource I have for you today is from a website called superteachertools.us. Now, the lesson plan that I would use this game for is for a lesson on the human bodies and specifically the human body systems. Now, I would use this, as you can see there is a body systems Jeopardy, and I would use this to allow my students to gain a better understanding of the body systems and how each system works. So as you can see here, it is set up like traditional Jeopardy. There is all the systems labeled up on top: the digestive system, the respiratory system, the nervous system, the circulatory system, and the muscular and skeletal system. And below each category, there is a 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 point questions. So I envision this game being played on a smartboard and having the class be split into two groups. I think it'd be a great way to use their competitive nature to help them learn a little bit more about the body systems. So for example, you would click on one of the questions. So I would click on the 40, and the question is, what do all of the systems of the body have in common? So there's a little timer here, and it shows you how many seconds you have left, and once the timer is up, the student will have the opportunity to answer. You just click view answer, and then you get the answer right there. So you do have the opportunity to change the time limit on the question. So say I wanted to give them more than 10 seconds, I could have them do it for 15 seconds. So I think this would be a great study tool for my students, especially before I test, like I said, using their competitive nature to help them learn a little bit more and help them become expert learners about these body systems. And I also think it's really helpful for the student that they can access this resource on their own devices. They do not need a school code. They don't have to be on a school computer. They can go to this website on their own devices and access this as a study tool for before their test at their own leisure. So yeah, thank you so much for listening.